Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and upload products to your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard and I already do have some products uploaded onto my store that I have used through the CSV that Shopify provides you with. Now, that is just a CSV which you can download, which has some placeholder products, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload singular products with your own data and how to import them from other services as well. Now, if we go into products, it's going to open up our product list. And as you can see, I have 3 products right over here. Now, the standard way to upload just a singular product is go into add product, and then you're going to have to enter all the data that is needed. For example, the title, the description, you can add any images, you can select a category yourself, or it'll be selected by default. You can set up the pricing, you can set up the inventory settings if you want to track the location, if it'll be stocked at your own location or on multiple locations or in other places. If you have any other add-ons, you can also set up the shipping rules and the shipping information, any variants you might have, category meta fields, etc. You can also change your SEO listing on your search engine, and you'll also see the tags button and product organization tags here. I'll just select tags or test, and that should be added as a tag. And now we have our product. Just click save and it should be added to the list. Now, if you want to import products, you are going to need a CSV database file that you are going to be uploading. And once you do, just click on import and then go add file, and you can download the sample CSV from this button right over here. But pretty much just click upload and preview. Once you upload the file, click import products, and once that's done, it's gonna import those products into Shopify. And once that's done, that's all you need to do. Now, as you can see, it didn't upload anything because I already have those products, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.